Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Kewal Vijay, and today I am going to teach you lecture number 50 in MS Excel. In today's lesson, we will discuss the various methods to hide zeros, remove them from your view, or even display a completely different message in their place for better presentation. For example, here I have maintained some records. If you have computerized any of your business operations and kept its records in Excel, then this is our target. After that, this is our stock. This much has been sold. This much is outstanding with us. In this way, the stock that has been sold here, if it is completely sold, it will show 0 here. But we want it not to show 0 there. Either the sale should appear blank, or it should show out of stock, or it should say sold. So how do we do this? Today I'm going to teach you this with formulas. So, as always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you learn something new, then please do like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, I will delete this data from here. And after deleting, what we have to do is write a small formula here. For example, I wrote here equals to, and then we will type if open bracket, and we say how much stock we had, and then we will manage the stock that has been sold. Then after this, we say that it should be equal to equals to. It should be equal to 0, so comma, double quotes, type comma. If we want to show a blank space instead of 0, that is if we want to display an empty cell here, then we have to use this formula. And then after this, we will manage it like this. Subtract the sold from the stock, call your sold value, close the bracket, and press enter. So look here, this was the total stock we had, and this has been sold. The remaining total we have left is shown here, and as we drag it down, you can see that where the stock has been completely sold, 0 is not appearing. What is appearing there instead is a blank cell. And if you don't want to show even the blank cell here, or if you want to display a message or give some kind of warning here, what should we do for that? Type equals, then again type if open bracket, and after that click on the stock. We'll manage 16 in this. Then after this you have to type equals here, and if it equals 0, then comma, inverted comma. So here we'll type out of stock. So here we've written out of stock, and after that close the inverted comma, then give a comma again. Then here from the stock, we'll manage sold, close the bracket, and press enter. And as we drag it downwards here, so see, wherever there was supposed to be a 0 or a blank cell, out of stock has been written there. So see how easily we can solve this problem using formulas. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can hide zeros or write some other message in place of 0. So I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture.